this panel off. I'm just going to use a trim tool. Just get behind here, pry it out, and then up. There's a little clip right there. Those two little pins. Take this cover off next. Just get under here. And there's some clips. There should be a clip right there. It looks like it broke before. And then this slides out. Take this little cover off. You could use either this trim tool or even a small screwdriver. Now take the trim tool, get under here, and just push it out a little bit. Pry it, and then it's going to slide towards the back. It's a pin right there. Two little clips right there. And just use a trim tool, get under here, and just pry this out. It's just a push pin. Just like that. Now we're going to take these two bolts out. Just move this lock rod to the back. There's a bolt right here and a bolt right here. Use a 7mm socket. Take that bolt out, and this one. The lower one's the longer one. Take this bolt out, use a T20 socket. Now just grab the door panel. You want to slide up and come out slightly. You don't want to break any of those clips. And it's going to be hard to see, but you have to reach to grab the wires. Disconnect the wires for the window switch. And over here, push down. This is like a ratchet retainer. While this is in there, there's a little button right there you push, and then you ratchet this down, and that disconnects that. And one more connector. And these all have push pins, or push retainers, push locks. Just push all those down. Over here, just pull this light socket out. Just pull it towards the vehicle. And carefully, there's a bulb right there. And pull the door panel off. Pop this lock rod off right here. You can use a pick or a screwdriver. Just get under here. Pop that off. Pop that out. Now take a 10mm socket, take this bolt out. And then take the handle, slide it forward, and it comes right out. And just take the new door handle, slide it in position, slide it back. You can take that rod, slide that down, and lock it down. Take the bolt, get the bolt started, and tighten it up. It's good. And connect the connectors. Good. Take this light, slide that back in position. That's good. All right, line the door panel back up. And you actually have to move this lock rod towards the outside of the door. With that all lined up, then you can push it down. Just make sure it's in all the way around. Put these screws back in. Get that started. Tighten it up. And put the screw that goes right there. This is the smaller one. Get that one started. And I'll get this longer one started. And tighten these up. And push this push pin right back there. This cover's gonna go over here. Pop that back on. Pop this cover on, slide it over the handle. Put the front in first. Lower it down and push it in. This lock is gonna go, you have to move the lock rod again, move it to the unlock, slide this front in first, lock it in place, make sure it works. And this last piece of trim right here, line it up, lock it in place.